How to create a picture collage on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen or in the app screen, open up your picture gallery. Next, tap on Pictures tab at the bottom. This will allow you to view all the available pictures on your device. Next, you can select the pictures and then tap on the create button down here, or you can tap on the menu button at the top and then tap on create, then choose collage and then select the pictures. You are allowed to select up to a maximum of 6 pictures. Then tap on collage. Next, you can change the layout of your collage. So here we have a number of different layouts that you could select. So you can choose random. You can also tap on the add button. So the add button is currently disabled. So here we've got a different ratio here that you can choose. So the frame of the pictures, you can change the picture ratio. So you've got a square 1:1, 4:3, or 16:9. So select a size that you prefer to use. And down here we can add border. So we can add a round border, square border. We can change the spacing between the image. And finally, you can add in the colors in the spacing. And here is the layout. And that's it. So once you have once you have set the layout, the ratio, and the border, then tap on saved. And that's it. Now we go back to our picture gallery and you can see this is the picture collage that we just create. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.